Stretching over 100 kilometers, this structure defies every conventional city design. How can engineers maintain perfect alignment for such a monumental, singular, and narrow object? The answer lies in a logic of verticality, never attempted on this scale before. To understand the future, we must look at the problem this project intends to solve. Urban sprawl has reached its limit. Commute times and environmental costs are unsustainable. In the northwest of Saudi Arabia, planners saw a blank canvas for a new civilization. The vision was bold: replace sprawling roads with a single, highly efficient, zero-gravity line. But the geography here is unforgiving. Mountains and valleys pose a massive structural challenge. Engineers had to decide: tunnel through or bridge over the ancient landscape.
The solution required deep foundation engineering to handle the immense vertical load.
Construction began with the foundational bed, anchoring the structure firmly into the earth.
The design relies on modular components, manufactured off-site for maximum efficiency.
Precision is the cornerstone of this process. Errors of even a millimeter are unacceptable.
Automation takes the lead here, ensuring consistent quality across thousands of identical units. Transporting these colossal pieces to the site is a feat of logistics all by itself. Every kilometer of the project requires the same meticulous preparation and installation sequence. Engineers on the ground must manage the interface between modular arrival and site integration. As the structure rises, it begins to alter the very landscape it was built to protect. But the true test of this design is its ability to handle internal stress and thermal expansion. The wall is not rigid. It is engineered to breathe with the extreme desert temperature shifts. Work continues around the clock, with crews meticulously monitoring every single connection point. It is a perspective few will ever see: the raw, industrial spine of a future city. Inside, the cavity is designed to house the lifeblood of the city: water, energy, and transit systems. The true scale of the utility network is buried, hidden away from the living spaces above.
Efficiency is defined by proximity. Everything you need is just a short walk or high-speed transit ride away. The glass facade itself is an engineering masterpiece, designed to reflect heat while providing transparency. It becomes a mirror, blending the city into the horizon, creating an invisible boundary between man and nature.
But before the surface is closed, the ground below must be stabilized to prevent seismic issues.
Concrete in massive, continuous pours is vital to ensure structural integrity across the entire project length.
This is where the project lives and dies, in the hidden engineering below the surface. With each section finished, the city begins to take on its final, singular shape.
It is an island of pure efficiency in a vast sea of challenging, unforgiving terrain.
The heart of the line's transport system is a high-speed network designed for zero-weight travel. Travel from one end of the city to the other will be a matter of minutes.
Accuracy is maintained through digital twins, ensuring every piece fits the complex design intent.
It requires total synchronization of equipment and personnel to maneuver elements this size. Engineers monitor the site from afar, responding to every micro change in the desert environment.
The structure is designed to weather even the most severe desert conditions with ease. Resilience is not just about strength. It is about intelligent design and smart integration. Yet, a hidden difficulty remains: water management in a region defined by its extreme aridity.
Sustainability means closing the loop. Every drop of water will be reclaimed and purified within the city.
It is a system that treats resources not as commodities, but as vital capital to be preserved.
Everything is tracked by sensors, allowing for immediate response to any inefficiencies or leaks. The line is becoming more than a structure. It is a testbed for the future of human infrastructure.
However, balancing growth with the natural environment is a constant, difficult tension. The structure is designed to weather even the most severe desert conditions with ease.
The design integrates vertical gardens and parks, creating a life-sustaining lung within the walls.
These aren't just for beauty. They manage local climate and provide essential carbon sequestration. It is an experiment in bio-integrated engineering, the likes of which the world has never seen.
The mechanical systems are built for long-term reliability in a harsh, corrosive environment. Logistics is the silent engine of the project. A global supply chain feeds this desert site daily.
Every truck, every crane, every worker is part of a grand orchestration toward completion.
The joint technology is the breakthrough, allowing the structure to be seamless while maintaining absolute safety.
Engineers developed a proprietary bonding technique that withstands both gravity and thermal stress.
This verified technique ensures that even at this extreme scale, the line behaves as a single unit. Yet, a hidden difficulty remains: water management in a region defined by its extreme aridity. Every milestone reached is a testament to the thousands of engineers working in the desert sun.
Seeing the structure from the inside, you realize the magnitude of what has been achieved.
The impossible moment in the canyon is now a reality of steel and glass. We return to the canyon pass, where the engineering solution was once a mere question.
The foundation works, the joints hold, and the wall stands firm against the elements.
It is a triumph of modern construction technology and bold human vision. The challenge was not just scale. It was maintaining balance in a place where only nature previously stood.
The light reflects back, not as heat, but as the spark of a new, vertical way of living.
Months of labor have transformed this once impassable gorge into a marvel of efficiency.
The central engineering question has been answered, not with words, but with a structure that speaks for itself. Stretching over 100 kilometers, the impact on regional connectivity will be profound. It is designed to house millions, yet occupying only a fraction of the land traditional cities require.
If the resources saved on roads and transit allow for more green, open space than ever before. Solar and renewable energy generation is integrated directly into the roof and facade systems.
This is the scale of human ambition redefined, an engineering answer for a changing planet. The project is currently in the midst of its most active construction phase, with new sections rising daily.
There is much still to be done as the team tackles the next frontier of structural height and complexity.
Projects like this are not built in a day. They are built one challenge at a time, and somewhere else, the next great engineering story is already beginning.